Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name, your ultimate destination for mastering DIY without all the overwhelm. Today's episode is super exciting because we're talking about one simple trick, yes, just one, that will completely transform the way you approach every DIY project from now on. Whether you're building a bookshelf, repairing furniture, organizing your garage, or creating custom decor, mastering this trick will take you from frustrated beginner to confident creator faster than you ever thought possible. And here's the best part. It doesn't require expensive tools, years of experience, or complicated techniques. It's so simple, you'll wonder why you didn't start using it earlier. Ready? Let's jump right in and unlock your new secret weapon in DIY. The game-changing trick is something professional builders, artists, and craftspeople have relied on forever, and that is perfect planning and prepping before you ever start. Wait, I know what you're thinking. Planning? That's it? Yes, that's it. But done the right way, planning is not just thinking vaguely about your project. It's a system that prevents mistakes, saves money, speeds up your work, and improves your results dramatically. Perfect planning means having an exact materials list, sketching or diagramming your project, even roughly, measuring twice, and cutting once, prepping your workspace ahead of time, doing dry fits before final assembly, predicting potential problems, and solving them before they happen. Professionals spend more time planning than actually building because they know that's how they finish successfully and stress-free. Every project starts with a clear vision. Before you grab a hammer or paintbrush, take 10 minutes to visualize exactly what you want. Ask yourself, how big should it be? What colors or finishes do I want? Where will it be placed or used? Who will use it? Pro tip, print out or sketch a reference photo. It helps guide every decision later. You don't have to be an artist. A simple rectangle with dimensions is enough. Draw top, front, and side views if possible. Label measurements. Note joinery points like screws, nails, or glue. This sketch is your map. It prevents wrong cuts, awkward designs, and missing steps. Now list every single thing you'll need. Wood pieces, boards, or panels. Screws, nails, bolts. Hinges, handles, brackets. Sandpaper, paint, stain, brushes, safety equipment. Bonus, add about 10% extra to your material quantities. It covers mistakes without an emergency store trip. This old school phrase saves lives. And projects. Use reliable tools like a metal tape measure, square, or digital caliper. Always. Double check all measurements. Mark cut lines clearly with a pencil. Confirm squareness and angles. Mistakes made here ripple through the entire project. A clean, organized, and prepared workspace keeps you fast, safe, and efficient. Checklist. Clear away unrelated clutter. Lay out your materials in the order you'll use them. Plug in or charge your tools. Have all your fasteners ready. Ensure good lighting. A mock setup means you move naturally from step to step without scrambling. Before gluing or screwing pieces together, assemble them dry. No adhesives yet. This allows you to see if pieces align correctly. Check for gaps or misfitting parts. Make minor adjustments easily. You catch mistakes when it's still easy to fix them. During dry fitting, think ahead. Will parts expand or shrink with humidity? Are screws long enough, but not too long? Will the finish be messy in corners? Are the fasteners hidden or visible? Anticipating issues now avoids heartbreaking rework later. Well, there you have it, DIY friends. The one simple trick that will absolutely revolutionize your DIY skills forever. Perfect planning and prepping. It's not flashy, it's not complicated, but it's the difference between being a frustrated beginner and feeling like a DIY pro. Quick recap. Visualize the end goal. Sketch your design. List all materials carefully. Measure twice, cut once. Set up your workspace. Dry fit before final assembly. Predict problems early. Remember, no fancy tools, no huge experience needed, just smart habits that anyone can learn. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Because here at Your Channel Name, we're all about making your DIY journey fun and achievable. Drop a comment below sharing your biggest DIY disaster that could have been solved by better planning. We'll feature the funniest ones in our next video. Stay safe, stay creative, and as always, build it better. See you next time.